Hey, what's up guys, my name is Azeem and I'm back here with another new exciting video, and in this video I'm going to review the Honor 8C smartphone. So here we have the Honor 8C smartphone, and at the bottom of this phone you can see here is the microphone, a charging port and a speaker, and at the right side here we got a power button and volume brakes, and at the back side we got a dual camera setup, from which the first one is of 13 megapixel with 1.8 aperture and the second one is of 2 megapixel sensor with 2.4 aperture. And we will be checking out the cameras in the video later. And this is the fingerprint sensor and an LED flashlight. And then here we got the branding of Honor. Here we have the Honor 8C, and at the top you can see this is the notch display, and the front camera is of 8 megapixel sensor with 2.0 aperture that can also record 1080p videos at 30 fps, and it has the 6.3 inches of display with 720 by 1520 pixels resolution, and it is Super AMOLED display. And then in the about phone section here we got the device name Honor 8C, EMUI version 8.2 and the Android version 8.1, that is the latest from Android Oreo. Here you can see that the Oreo logo displays as I pressed on it 3 to 4 times. And then let's check out that what else more we got. So here we have the IMEI number, and the CPU processor is Qualcomm Snapdragon 632, that is also a mid-range processor, and the RAM is 3 gigabytes. Internal storage is 32 gigabyte. It is also available in 64 gigabytes of variant. Screen resolution is 1520 by 720 pixels, and it has the Android security patch of January 1st 2019. So here in the smart assistants we got motion control, where we have the flip by which you can turn off your alarm or mute the incoming calls, and you have pickup option which can help you to turn on the display when you pick up the smartphone, and you can take the screenshot with 3-finger system, and you can double touch to turn on or off your display. And then here we have the battery. Let me tell you that it has battery size of 4000 mAh. That is really the amazing battery, and it is called the Mega Powerhouse as it has a huge battery, and it got 2 modes, power saving mode and ultra power saving mode. Here we have the face unlock in the security and privacy options, and also we have the fingerprint ID, and fingerprint ID can also help you to use your mobile much easier. And then here you can see that in screen lock and passwords we got pin pattern, and as usual we got in other smartphones. And now let's check out the camera. So here I have opened the camera, and we got photo option, portrait mode option, aperture mode option, and the video mode. And in the more section, and we here also have an sample, and I will be taking the pictures of this sample. And in the more option we have pro mode, panorama, AR lens, HDR, some filters, watermark, and you can also download more options from it. In the pro mode you got a lot of controls as ISO, shutter speed, exposure value, and the focus modes, so you can capture the images as you want. And you also got the temperature change options. And then here we have the best option in this camera, that is called AI, artificial intelligence. This can help you in the color correction of the images when you are capturing the photos. It can help you to take the image with correct colors, and here you can also change the resolution of image, and these are all the options that you got in all other smartphones as usual. And now we will be testing the camera. So here first of all I have captured it in the artificial intelligence mode, and you can see that the image came up with clear results, and it's very good in AI. And now let's turn off the AI and capture the photo in portrait mode. this is the photo I captured in portrait mode, and wow, here the result of images are also not bad. It blurs the background, and here we have the last option, aperture mode, and let me tell you that its aperture can go from 0.95 to 16, and it means that it has minimum of 0.95 and maximum of 16 aperture. So now I will be taking the picture on 1.4 aperture, and I will show you that how the image looks like. And wow, this image really looks amazing as it creates a shallow depth of field, and I like the aperture mode of this camera. Let's take one more picture of another model, and wow, here we got also the good results. It creates a very shallow depth of field, and you can even change the aperture after capturing the photo. So the overall result of the back camera is very satisfactory. And now let's check out the front camera, that is of 8 megapixels and has an aperture of 2.0. So here we got a beauty mode, photo mode, video mode, and the more section where we got the same options as in the back camera. And now let's capture the samples from the front camera. So here we have the first image in simple mode, and wow, the front camera details are also very good. And now let's check out the beauty mode. This gives also good results, but not so much good as the back camera gives. This mode also gives us the good results, but not so much satisfactory. So I would say that the back camera of the Honor 8C smartphone is best. And now let's move into the speed section, and now we will be checking out the speed of the smartphone. So here we have the Zedge application. I have opened it and it opens quickly. Yes, it doesn't take so much time. And now let's open another one. We have the Subway Surfer, and we will be running it out. And wow, the performance of the game is also really good. As you can see that I'm playing the game and it's really smooth. I know that it is not very high graphic games, but I will be making a video of this Honor 8C smartphone on a gaming test, so we will check out there the gaming performance of the smartphone. And here we have Injustice 2, but unfortunately I didn't have the internet connection, so I can't play it right now. And then here we have the Temple Run, and the speed of app launch is really good on this smartphone. As you can see that in a bit of time it opens the applications. Now let's check out the Temple Run performance. Wow, it's really good. It's also good on this. The performance of this game was also good. And we have the last game, that is Rush. It's loading, and wow, this game was also running buttery smooth. So the overall gaming performance of this smartphone is very good. And I will be doing a gaming test of the smartphone really soon. So stay tuned with me by subscribing to my channel. And now we will be running out the apps that are running in the background already, that we opened recently. So wow, the background application running speed is also very good. Here we have also another game, the Racing Moto. We will be checking it out, that how does it performs. I think that its performance is also very good. So the gaming performance of the smartphone is really good. And that was my video on this Honor its smartphone. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.